Seal your lips and focus on breathing in and out through your nose. Try to make a straight line all the way from your heels up to the back of your head and keep your core engaged. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop down to your forearms, interlace your fingers and start to rock backwards and forwards to increase the intensity of the pose. Relax the muscles in your face. Lift your right foot, then your left foot. Inhale, bring your left foot back to the mat. Exhale, push back up to your hands. Inhale, engage your core. Exhale, hug your elbows to your sides, rock forward and lower all the way down to the mat. Inhale, lift up into Cobra. Seal your lips and take smooth and even breaths as you strengthen the muscles that support your spine. Press lightly into your hands and roll your shoulders back. Keep your neck long. Inhale, lift up a little higher. Exhale, lower back down and bring your hands by your sides, palms facing up. Let's continue to strengthen the muscles that support your spine in locust pose. Inhale, lift your chest, hands and arms. Draw your shoulders back, lengthen your neck and look down a few inches in front of you. Stay here for a few breaths. And if you want to deepen the intensity of the pose, lift your feet and lengthen through your legs. Observe the sensations in your spine as you lengthen and strengthen your lower and upper back. Push through your heels, then the balls of your feet. Interlace your fingers at the base of your spine and pull your shoulders back. Relax the muscles in your face. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, release the pose. Rest your left cheek on the mat and rock your hips from side to side to loosen up your lower back. Come back to center, bring your hands under your shoulders and push your hips halfway back towards your heels in puppy pose. Reach through your fingertips, rest your forehead on the mat and draw your hips back. Stay here for a few deep breaths, feeling a stretch in the spine and obliques. Last inhale. Exhale, bring your hands back a few inches, tuck your toes and lift your hips up into downward dog.